Right now, while you are reading this, you already have everything you need to start earning on the side. Not money. Not a fancy degree. Not permission from anyone. Just a skill you already use, and a few hours you are probably wasting. Most people believe a business needs capital first. They wait for the perfect amount of savings that never arrives. So the business never starts. But the truth is almost the opposite. The smallest, cheapest businesses are often the ones that survive. Because when you start with no money, you are forced to start with skill. And skill is the only thing that actually pays. Let me show you how a normal employed person builds a side business from nearly zero. Step by step, while keeping the job that pays the bills. First, let go of the myth that you need an MBA to begin. A side business is not a corporation. It is one person solving one problem for one other person who pays them. That is it. You do not need investors. You do not need an office. You do not need a logo, a website, or a brand name on day one. You need a customer with a problem and you with a solution. Everything else is decoration you add later. So the real first question is not how much money do I have. It is what can I already do that someone would pay for. And that is where most people undersell themselves. You are sitting on skills you treat as ordinary. Because they are easy for you, you assume they are easy for everyone. They are not. Think about what people already ask you for help with. Maybe friends ask you to fix their phone settings. Maybe coworkers ask you to clean up their messy spreadsheets. Maybe family asks you to design their wedding invitations. Maybe people compliment your photos, your cooking, your writing, your patience with kids. Each of those is a clue. Each is a thing the market quietly rewards. Make a simple list right now. What do I do at work that has real value? What do people thank me for outside of work? What could I happily do for 2 hours on a Sunday without getting bored? Where those 3 lists overlap, your side business is hiding. Now, do not fall in love with the idea yet. An idea in your head is worth nothing until a stranger pays for it. So before you invest a single rupee or dollar, you validate it cheaply. Validation just means proving someone will pay before you build the whole thing. And you can do this for almost free. Pick the one skill from your list that feels most useful. Then describe the exact result you can deliver in one clear sentence. Not what you do, but what the customer gets. Nobody buys editing. They buy a video that makes them look professional. Nobody buys spreadsheets. They buy hours of their week back. Once you have that sentence, take it to real people. Post it in a community where your kind of customer already hangs out. Message 10 people you know who might need it. Offer to do it for a small fee for the first few customers. If even 2 or 3 say yes, you have a signal. If everyone goes silent, you have just saved yourself months of wasted effort. That silence is not failure. It is free market research most people are too scared to ask for. Adjust the offer and try again. Validation is cheap because words are cheap. You are testing demand with conversations, not with your savings. Now comes the part where people quit too early. They imagine they must go all in. Quit the job, bet everything, sink or swim. Please do not. The smartest way to start is tiny and quiet while you stay employed. Your job is not your enemy here. It is your investor. That salary pays your rent so your young business does not have to. It removes the desperation that makes people take bad clients and bad deals. So keep the job and run the business in the cracks of your week. Early mornings before work. An hour at lunch. 2 evenings and a weekend slot. You do not need 40 hours. You need 5 focused hours that actually produce something a customer can buy. Start with the simplest possible version of your service. One offer, one price, one type of customer. Resist the urge to do everything for everyone. A narrow service is easier to sell and easier to deliver well. Now you need your first paying customer, and this is the scariest step. Here is the secret: your first customers come from people who already trust you, not strangers from the internet. Tell people clearly what you now do and who you help. Most people never tell anyone, then wonder why no one buys. Ask happy early customers for 2 things: a testimonial and a referral. One good word from a real person beats any advertisement. Deliver the first job so well that they cannot help but talk about you. Over-deliver on purpose in the beginning. Those first 3 or 4 customers are not just income. They are your proof, your reviews, and your reputation. Treat them like gold, because they are. Now let us talk about pricing, because this is where beginners bleed. When you start, you feel like an imposter, so you price like one. You charge almost nothing, hoping low prices win customers. But cheap prices attract the worst clients and exhaust you fastest. Price is not just a number. It is a signal of value and confidence. Do not compete to be the cheapest. Compete to be clearly worth it. Look at what the result is worth to the customer, not how long it takes you. If saving someone 10 hours is worth a lot to them, charge for that value. A simple rule when starting: pick a price that feels slightly uncomfortable. If it feels too easy to say, it is probably too low. And raise your prices as your proof and your skill grow. Every few customers, nudge the number up. The right clients will stay, and the draining ones will leave. Now the money starts coming in, and here is where it is won or lost. Your instinct will be to spend that first profit on yourself. Resist that for now. In the early days, your profit is fuel, not a reward. Reinvest it back into the thing that makes you more money. A better tool that saves you hours. A small course that sharpens your skill. A simple way to reach more of the right customers. Spend on things that increase your capacity or your quality. A business that eats its own seed corn never grows. One that replants quietly becomes unstoppable. Now let us avoid the mistakes that kill most first businesses. Mistake 1: waiting until everything is perfect before you start. Perfect is just fear wearing a nice suit. Mistake 2: buying equipment and courses instead of getting customers. Customers teach you more than any purchase ever will. Mistake 3: trying to serve everyone, so you connect with no one. Mistake 4: pricing from fear instead of value. Mistake 5: chasing a brand new idea every week and finishing nothing. Pick one offer and stay with it long enough to get good. Mistake 6: quitting your job too soon on one good month. And mistake 7: hiding your work because you are afraid to be judged. A business no one knows about is just a quiet hobby. Now, when do you scale, and when do you finally go full-time? Scaling is not about working more hours. It is about earning more without trading more of your life. The first signal is simple: you have more demand than time. You are turning customers away regularly. When that happens, you have choices. Raise prices so demand matches your hours. Or package your skill so it serves more people at once. Or bring in help for the simple parts so you handle the valuable ones. And only consider leaving your job when the math is calm, not when you are angry. A safe rule: your side income covers your basic expenses for several months in a row. Not one lucky spike, but a steady, repeatable pattern. When the side income is no longer side income, the choice makes itself. Until then, let your job and your business grow side by side. There is no prize for jumping early. Finally, the mindset that holds it all together. You are not gambling. You are testing small, learning fast, and risking little. Every customer is a lesson, not a verdict on your worth. Every no points you toward a better yes. You will feel like a fraud at the start. Everyone does, even the people you admire. The difference is they kept showing up and got slightly better each week. You do not need to be the best. You need to be useful, reliable, and easy to pay. Small, consistent action beats a big, scary leap every single time. So start this week, not this year. Pick one skill, write one offer, message one person. That tiny first step is the whole game. So here is my question for you. What is the one skill you already have that you could turn into your first paying offer this week? Think about it honestly, then go test it. If this gave you a clear path to start, follow Wealth Insight Hub for more simple, practical money guides. Your future business is already inside you. All that is left is to begin.